kids, welcome to Pen Pencil. Hope you are all doing great. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Today now we are learning long E sound words. Already we have finished long A sound words. Now we are reading long E sound words. Okay. Now let us start reading. Eagle, eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Ear, ear, E-A-R, ear. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Feet, F-E-E-T, feet, F-E-E-T, feet. E-A-T, eat, E-A-T, eat. T-E-A-T, T-E-A-T. Jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep. Eel, E-E-L, eel, E-E-L, eel. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Please listen to the pronunciation when I am speaking. Okay, kids? B-E-E-B, B-E-E-B, P-E-A-P, P-E-A-P, W-H-E-L, wheel, W-H-E-L, wheel. Have you understood all these, kids? These are all long E sound words. Okay? Read them once again so that you can learn easily. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Thank you for watching this, kids. Thank you. Bye bye.